Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man with the talk as be, they send message to EPM members worldwide. He say make them stop to the talk bad about the Edo State Governor, Godwin Obaseki. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred.
Yeah, hello, my good people, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location una for the connect with me this morning. We thank Baba God for the wonderful things when in do they do for our life, because not only one they put road for where road no day, and not only one they talk word when they reach, and once he talk them, nobody go fit change them. This morning, I get this message for EPM members. EPM members, when are they call evil people movement? Evil people movement, what they call EPM, Edo people movement, when they break out from APC. I get message for them this morning. EPM members worldwide, I get message for Una this morning. Edo where no boma or the mama ote. Why you rega Iran won fun iyame lao? Awe ma koko ba tanyame. Oko enori Iran uwera oji. Ege sene ni mahaya atawe no jie. Keke nuri aje ketinu meo maaga gu agwa wena oda wa maunu wa alwe eriru wa. EPM members, election is not over. But una no one let go the pain of election. Even when other persons don't move on to see how we go fit a join hand with the state government to build Edo State. EPM members for Nigeria and in diaspora, I get message for now this morning. Choose for where EPM members, una there abroad they shout, say governor, the demolish houses and the rest. Una they cause Obaseki, they cause all the supporters. Now that cost now go una portion 20 times, if I 100 times. They are Broadway una day EPM members. Una know they follow law. Is there no law in diaspora? Government control how you shit. Government control how you eat. Government control how you go to toilet. Government control your children. Government control your wife. Government control you. In fact, you not get share of your own. And you cannot do anything without government approval for EPM members when they did diaspora. Una not go fit do anything without government approval. In fact, if una break one small law, una they go jail. How come EPM members when they are abroad, una they encourage lawlessness for Edo? Una they encourage una people to continue evil act and lawlessness for Edo. Una not soon go punish una. EPM members, una not want let go the failure and the defeat of the election. Itewi igu agwo wena ekro magume ya zi ena we agu and ereru wa agba ereru wa magba. EPM members no rewebo o agu ewe ni rockba without government approval. Imoto nu we fini we webo we na taxing we pay the government ya. Eken we parking moto yi we webo we na only go we pay the government. Wa here dey toothpick anything no other key. We ma make tax no we pay the government. Vana miege emi awala edone ohuwa ohiore. When you go he go ereru agba EPM member no rewebo ke no redo. Nana wa mi eni kede awasu no redo. We wa go when we ya chebone Obaseki chebone supporters emeundo hagbelu wa ya fe. When he turn out, EPM members were done it. One of Tiebone, Obaseki, one of the Tiebone, Togberans, a big egbe or who waki, Ariana, Ariafi, a big wa. EPM member, me no water. O how you are giving one away boy. O how you are your son, who are Bobby. Every way, we are a J. And don't you oko we be yan je iyem we are je we no hamagu egwe if we go webo ubi ronu ubi ade social media wa chebo ne governor Wa tie bone supporters e me wo do gbelu wa ya fe. When we have a live video, he a tie bone Obaseki, he tie bone supporters e me wo do gbelu wa. E defeat o wa hanga mi wa ke ya hu. Vana mi EPM me ba no rewebo. Who are go encouraging lawlessness in Edo? Why una they encourage lawlessness for Edo? Especially those, the EPM Edo people for diaspora. Why una they encourage lawlessness for Edo? Wetin fear no go let una do for abroad. Now that they encourage una own people, make they do for Edo, na God go punish una. EPM members, defeat will continue to be una portion. Defeat will continue to be una portion. Now, Obaseki say now, he want see how he go take restore sanity back to the city. And in restoring sanity back, a lot of things are involved. The EPM members, evil people movement, their members, they don't want rest. They shout. May warm eat in their mouth. I said tell her before say I no be pastor, I be apostle. Pastor go pamper una, apostle go hammer una. You can have all those the miscreants. The fact that I'm a man of God doesn't mean I should be taking nonsense for any of you. Especially those in diaspora, the EPM members. Now, small way for the first erosion cover for GROA. People they shout, hey, Obaseki not working. Now the same Obaseki, if they do underground drainage for Campiona to remove erosion down to Ogban River. And in doing this, a lot of demolition must go happen. A lot of fence must go down so that they will give way for the construction of the underground drainage. But yet, una blind, una not see them, una they sharp erosion with their JRA. Now, Obaseki cause erosion with their JRA. Now, Obaseki cause erosion with their JRA. Erosion has been part of Edo for a very long time. Why una never talk about Oshomole? EPM member na go punish una because when Oshomole collect 30 billion naira, say he want to control erosion for Edo. Erosion, Oshomole not control. Oshomole, you the same money, take go build university for Iyamo. He go build one of the best house for Iyamo. EPM people, una blind, una not see, and I go punish una. Now me, Apostle Alfred, now they talk on this morning. Operation Fire for Fire. Iwa Megbuwa. The 30 billion where Oshomole collect. So he wanted to do what a stormwater project for Edo State. Where the stormwater project? Where the money? EPM members, una not talk. Una keep quiet. Una if the one that they cause Obaseki, now so that they cause Buhari, I for not talk to una. As far as that they cause Obaseki, they cause the supporter, and not cause Buhari, now that cost go on a portion 100 times with calamity and heart attack. Operation Fire for Fire. Oshomole collect 30 billion naira loan. He said he wanted to do a Edo State stormwater project. Because of the erosion where they do. Storm will not, in fact, project will not see. Storm now can see the storm of massive erosion everywhere for Edo people, for Edo State. EPM member Agbunu Onagbuwanu. Agbunu Onagbuwanu. Before you begin to accuse, you must find out the root of the problem. If Oshomole use that 30 billion for that stormwater project, I'm not sure say Obaseki going to begin to spend another money to take do that stormwater project. Obaseki will not spend money on stormwater project again. Obaseki will begin to spend money for another project. If yet donore that's what the PM member. Since we are where we are magba against we are visiting psychiatric hospital. We have visited psychiatric hospital with the brain check. Oshomole put Edo State under youth debt. He collect 30 billion naira for stormwater project. No project was executed. He will claim Agba. Claim Agba. I will call you a name. Oshomole, Tony Kabaka, Clem Agba, all the people when they walk Isayamu, when they walk under Oshomole, walk with Oshomole, then this man Igodo, Migodo, all of them, I will call you a name. Where do you 30 billion naira to do? When the people say Oshomole do half drainage, that was the end. The drainage when she one start from Welu, it end down for Wasot Adolo College, down. Una not talk. Where is the 30 billion naira? Una never ask una say where Obaseki for the sea money, where till they reactivate, till they reconstruct the underground drainage. EPM members, not do Oshomole do a Rosa Grammar School drainage, it do am well. Una not see say Obaseki they reconstruct that drainage for a Rosa Grammar School underground sewage. Una not sure because una blind. Because una blind, una not see. If I told I not see, why I not go my page? When I go my page, when I go video the work what Basaki they do for a Gosa Grammar School, that underground where Oshumu the Fed do and not do well. Now, Obaseki now they reinvest money for that drainage. We go collect water from 5 Junction, from Uselu down to Ikpoba River. Una no see, una keep quiet and God will punish you now. When in time now, you don't have ye. When in time, you don't have ye. No, una don't ask question again. Una don't feel call Oshomole. Oshomole, where is our 30 billion? Una see the 30 billion and 30 naira. 30 billion is not 30 naira. For your information. If Oshomole have used that money, if Oshomole really use that money, they build the stormwater project. By now, erosion would have been a thing of the past. If I thought erosion would day, would they worst as we experience them now. But do you know how many billions of naira they control storm right now in Edo State? Because we don't want to see them. Go to Capiona, go and see underground drainage. Go Ekewan, go see the underground drainage where Baseki construct for Ekewan Road. Where be said, I don't see them. Not be to walk Kota for road, you say don't do road. I know as a consortium man, I know billions of naira enter a Ekewa Road underground drainage system to then remove erosion from Ekewa Road straight to Yokoba. Yet EPM members, una so na not stand because una blind. Rain they fall for Lagos. Una not see rain when they fall for Lekki. And I don't see the way erosion, they cover houses for Lekki. Our people in gas for Lagos, not the same. Even for worry here, if rain fall, I don't see the way erosion, they full everywhere for worry. Even Port Harcourt, Abuja, Kro, rain go fall. Everywhere go, erosion will cover everywhere. Even Kogi State, even Oyo State here, Ogun State here, rain fall there first today, rain full, erosion full everywhere. So there is nowhere in the world you can ever experience rain, flood. But when there is a control measure, we must all adhere to it. Not be where some people cover moat. The moat that would have eradicated erosion in Edo, our people cover and build houses. Una know they see, una know they think. Edo people, our people, now build houses. They cover all the moat for Benin. Moat connect Benin. Moat. Where people say if rain fall, the water will go moat. There will not be erosion. But today, erosion everywhere in Edo. What will happen? Our people cover all the moat, build houses for moat. Cover them. They cover moat. Moat there, one more, they don't cover them. Moat there, they don't cover them. Nowhere moat's not there for this town. Our people don't cover all the moat. They build houses on top. They build houses on top. Now you are shouting erosion. Before you accuse Obaseki, go and accuse Oshomole. EPM members, go and ask Oshomole, your father. When I go ask her father, she bears a 30 billion naira. When he collects, she wanted to do stormwater project for Edo. If Oshomole have spent that 30 billion naira on the stormwater project within talk. By now, erosion for Dog become thing of the past for Edo. Oshiomhole, only the master plan, it tell us, say, this is the master plan to control erosion for Edo. And that was the picture Oshiomhole sent to everybody. And everybody, they happy, say, with this, erosion will be thing of the past in Edo. And then Oshiomhole bring all the bulldozer with Captain Osa. He have Jaguar, Captain Osa, all of una. Not be una, all of una put have Oshiomhole bag. Igodomigodo, Crossy Eribo. Not be all of una put have Oshiomhole bag. All of una put have Oshiomhole bag. All of una put have Oshiomhole bag. When Oshiomhole collect 30 billion and I say he wanted to do stormwater project. Captain Osa, you are aware. Godomigodo, you are aware. Bobiswa, you are aware. Tony Kabaka, you are aware. Imran Agbogu, you are aware. All of you now. Samson Sagi, all of you, the Crosby Aribo, then a Chris former disowned House of Assembly member. All of you, we are aware of that 30 billion naira. Some project we not see. They start the project, they do a half. Uwelu, half. Adola College Road, half. All the stormwater projects executed by Oshiomhole, half. And that project won't see the light of the day. Now, Obaseki is spending more money to reactivate that project. And some EPM members, when they open their mouth, they talk rubbish. Some of them, they do like video. Say, as soon as they cause Obaseki, as soon as they cause all Togbera, now cause, now go to a portion and the portion of our generation. Those EPM members that has vowed never to let go the pain of election, may pain never depart from you and your generation. And they talk how as they be. And they talk how as they be. And they talk how as they be. Airport Road project. We know how many billions of naira wasted on Airport Road project when they go stop for the river for there. When they stop for the river. Why do not carry that road down? When I not talk, EPM members, even to Beluwa. Even no manje. Since we are going to no ma, even no ma, why they give me wake ya wu. Even no ma, me wa ole. Even no ma, all me wa ole. I hold nobody apology. For this stage, all of una clap hands, EPM members, all of una clap hands for Oshiomhole. Una the hela. Because he was sharing the money for all of you. If the money Oshiomhole saying he wanted to do was stormwater project, una don't ask him, Oshiomhole, where did you get money to build university in Iyamo? That was the same money Oshiomhole approved. They wanted to reactivate Ekadolo to Akpata University. Today, we not see Akpata, we not see Atayo, we not see university for Ekadolo. Una keep quiet. The same money, almost 5 billion naira. Now Oshiomhole take go build house for your own house. How much was Oshiomhole's salary? How much was the governor's salary? 5 billion. If not more than 10 billion. Was Oshiomhole take build house for Iyamo. Una not talk. Una not ask Oshiomhole, where did you get money to buy airline, Kevet airline? One of the best hospitals for Abuja. Who get that money is Edo money. Our money. Now, someone that build one of the best hospital for Abuja. All over the world, there is no country or someone that does not have a project with Edo money. And the so-called EPM members, you have the guts to be doing broadcasts and be insulting government and God will punish all of you now. All the EPM members, the evil EPM members, that God go judge all of you now. No fear we no have fear. Me want me go one. I am ready for you guys. Edo people, make we not forget so soon. If Oshomole has spent that 30 billion naira on stormwater project, by now, Obaseki for don't spend money for another project. Obaseki would have not gone back. Go and check the work what Obaseki they do right now. Go and check. We must all tell ourselves the truth. We must all tell ourselves the truth. We must all tell ourselves the truth. Wickedness thrive when good people keep quiet. Evil strive when good people keep quiet. And we will begin to ask questions. The billions of naira, well, Obaseki, they do storm water project now for Capiona. I was not told. I go there, I share with my 2 eyes. I say, wow. If Oshomole really do this project, I'm not sure water will do GRA by now. My people, where they shout now? During the time of Oshomole, in time one road for GRA. When I know that this town, well, Oshomole say GRA belong to big people. He not go do anything for them. Oshomole not do one project for GRA. But Obaseki now, he not care whether it's GRA, whether it's Ogbowo, it's working. Ungrateful and wicked generation. People who are not sincere to themselves because of money. Because of money. Because of money. Okay, do that working away. Emi Obasunu, how we go? Here, Wabajaria. When we are go now, eri we go we go Oshomole. Imagine problem. Agburu na gbelu wa ya nu wa ma go. Agburu man is video live. He want you. He wahala o man. When we are fair, ya tiebo no Obaseki. Ya tiebo ne a supporters e mem do gbelu wa. When in time I don't have ye. Again, Senate na time we no see. Why you fair no Oshomole? Why you fair no tiebo no Obaseki na? Tiebo ne supporters e bo kan de wake ya wo. Emi no ma wa de gbe mi on. Emi no ma wa mi on. You cannot embark on the underground drainage system without demolition. And you know go fit control erosion without demolition. And for you to control erosion, for you to carry out underground drainage successfully, a lot of building must go down. A lot of fence must go down. Why? Because that is the only way we can do the right thing. That's the only way we can do the right thing. Any small, hey, Amero, Obaseki is not working. Shut up your man there. Have you moved around to go and see what he's doing? One are not shout. If the one that they shout for Obaseki, and they shout for Buhari, we will not get problem for this country. All of them they do live video, they shout, Obaseki, rain they fall. One another they do live video to talk to Buhari like that. Because they are members. Because they feed from the so-called table of Buhari, APC. Thereby your sense, don't lose your sense. I will continue to stand on the path of truth. And I will talk him as it will be. Election is over. Let us face reality. Let us face reality. Erosion has been part of Edo for a very long time. That was the reason why Oshomole collected 30 billion naira. We'll talk about it. That's the reason why Oshomole collected 30 billion. Because of the same erosion. They draw the map. Everybody share. With the happy. Billions of naira. 30 billion for Edo stormwater project. We hear with the stormwater project. Make a refresh on our mind again. It goes a gully erosion. It goes a gully erosion. I remember when Oshomole go there and jump like frog during campaign. He said, I would do it. For 8 years of Oshomole, he not go Igosa, he not walk there. But go see with your eyes, which your Obaseki don't do for Igosa stormwater gully erosion. He don't reclaim all the houses, he don't tie all the road for Igosa. Yet EPM members not seeing. He not say you wow. Why he dig you wow. Go to Igosa housing estate now. Go and see how Obaseki don't reclaim that place. Landlord will be say they sell their house, they will regret. House not a GNR for Igosa housing estate. Massive development have returned back. All the road has been tied in Igosa. All the gully erosion has been channeled and be rechanneled. But yet you not see. If somebody have done that Igosa gully erosion, do you think Obaseki will go back to spend money there? Obaseki will channel the money to something else. Talk him as it be, and I'll continue to talk him as it be. If the same Osomole have spent that 30 billion naira, oh God. EPM member, wanna wake up from sleep. Wanna wake up from sleep. The Bible says, those that know what is good and do it not, to them is a sin. Those that know what is good and do it not, to them is a sin. You, when know what they good, you know read do them, you know read talk them, that sin you carry. And the Bible says, woe unto those that see good and call it evil, and see evil and call it good, and see white and call it black. God says you are cursed, according to the book of Isaiah chapter 5. You are cursed. You are cursed. You are cursed. All the moats for a door, all of our people don't build us, take cover all the moats. The moats that would have where erosion for follow naturally, and we, our people, they don't build house to cover all the moats. Our people don't build house to cover all the moats. And you expect me not to talk? You expect me not to talk? I go talk. I go talk. So all those EPM evil members, when they insult Obaseki, they insult we support her. Now thunder go fire you. Now wait till you plant, now you go reap. Good thing you know will see. Since you people have vowed never to make peace for this state, I know we'll get peace. And those of you when they sponsor our people for this state, you there abroad, you they sponsor evil for this state, now that evil will kill you. You there abroad, you they encourage your brother and your sister to they practice lawlessness for a door. And when you say you, they obey law for abroad, you go make mistake, we go send you go jail. You will make terrible mistake that will send you to jail. You will be saying, you know, free talk. When government go knock on your door, you go to shiver, and you open mind to the cost people. I will continue to talk as it be. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. What is not good is bad. Community where good people for keep quiet. Ambraba will be general overseer. Ambraba don't become general overseer because everybody they fear. Nobody want to talk truth. I will not want to talk as it be. I owe nobody apology. And I stand on the path of truth. EPM members, do a broadcast to also talk about Buhari. Why is Buhari making hunger to be in Nigeria? Please do that. Failure to do that, it will never be well with any of you. If Osomole have spent that 30 billion naira on stormwater project in Edo, by now, erosion would have been a thing of the past in Edo. All the projects Osomole claim he want to execute, none was being executed. And we know how Osomole take carry bulldozer when they empower Odion Olaye, when they begin to destroy and demolish a lot of property in this state. Even Ogbemudia house was destroyed in Suloko Road because they had the near moat. Nothing was done. The same state, Osomole tell that widow, she go and die. What you not do, not keep quiet. Since when I say, when I don't want to let peace reign, when I don't get peace, then me, Apostle Alfred, I go open all of our file, I will dig out one after the other. For those of you who clap hand for Shomole to take wreck this state, now some people will still clap hand when you will wreck. Go and mark it. Today is 25th of June, 2021. 8 o'clock. Go and mark it. You guys will report your soul. So for the good people of Edo State, let's continue to do the right thing. Never you encourage lawlessness in our state. And I, Pastor Alfred, will never encourage lawlessness in our state. If we want to reclaim our state, if you want sanity to return back to the state, we must all wake up and begin to do the right thing. Our people stop packing dirty go they put for gutter. Who they put dirty for gutter and governor? Now we. Now who they carry dirty go they put for rain, where rain they fall? Not the governor, now we. Because we are too dirty. This is the truth and nothing but the truth. This one is the message when I get for EPM members. Make when I enter house. If I not get what I want to talk when I enter house, those men and women they shout or you are shouting, ready follow, erosion, or shut up your mouth. Those evil EPM, I'm specific. Those evil EPM members shouting, ranting, when I shut up your mouth. When I shout, when I show me they collect 30 billion naira. This page, I don't open now. That 30 billion naira, we will get them back from Oshomole. What Oshomole now? You forget what Oshomole collect 30 billion naira. She wanted to do some water project. You not forget. Jeffrey, you forget. If Oshomole have spent that 30 billion naira on that stormwater project, you think we'll be suffering today in Edo? You think we'll be suffering? If Oshomole has spent that 30 billion that he collected, now because of where rain they fall, erosion there everywhere, nobody make Oshomole collect 30 billion naira. If you ask me now, what I will ask? If you ask me now, what I will ask? Not being collect 30 billion naira, where rain they fall, where erosion full everywhere. You say one control erosion. Not being that collect 30 billion, where the money, erosion still this stage. All of us keep quiet. We are blaming Obaseki. Let's start blaming ourselves. We are the architect of our problem. Make we begin to blame ourselves. Because now we be the architect of our problem. This is the truth and nothing but the truth. This is the truth and nothing but the truth. And they talk as it be. As it be. So before we shout, let's go back to history. What led to this? If some things were actually done the way it should, we will not be crying. That's why they verse from some of our people in the diaspora, some of our EPM members with the diaspora, you will shout. You are shouting. What has been your positive contribution to the state? Nothing. You want to the shout, they encourage your people. Maybe they build house for moats, encouraging lawlessness, and you are shouting. And you know, don't you maintain law in abroad? Is there no law in abroad? There is law. Government control everything you do. You want to go toilet, they will control it. You want shit, everything, government control it. So how come you are encouraging your people not to obey law in Edo? How come? You pay tax for everything in abroad. Now you did there, you encourage your people for evil act. You are encouraging them not to maintain law in Edo. You are encouraging your people in Edo State not to maintain law. You are encouraging your people to join courts. You are encouraging your people to keep building houses on moats. You are encouraging your people to begin to do things anyhow. Meanwhile, you can't do anything anyhow in abroad. Yeah, God bless you, my brother. That's the truth. All the work we do like half-half. Yo, Godfather is the CEO. Move forward, backward never. Yo. Edo must move forward, backward never. All the project, half-half. You know, all the stormwater project, what somebody say want to half-half. Go see go now. Obaseki they redo again. Because what somebody do now? Rubbish. Money waste. Now Obaseki they redo now. When I share for my broadcast, go send it there. Obaseki now they redo that the Wosa where they channel water from 5 Johnson, from Olia, from Mesidoko, straight to Boba River. Or someone saying do one, but here now, just let job. Now Obaseki they do so to rechannel the water again. When I don't see them, we're all clapping. If Oshomole has spent that 30 billion naira on stormwater project, by now, erosion would have been a thing of the past in Edo. And that was the reason why Oshomole commissioned Odion Oloye to begin to destroy, demolish houses everywhere. You cannot say let Obaseki walk. Obaseki want to walk now. When they fight her. You cannot forget Oshomole. We no go forget Oshomole. We must go. See, that our problem with this. Because oh, it don't pass. Am I better than Am I better? So don't talk about the past. Let's talk about present. No, there can never be future without visiting the past. That's the problem we have in Nigeria today. We can never forget Oshomole. Obaseki cannot walk. Even when Obaseki they walk now, when they fight time. Obaseki want to right the wrong, when they fight time. Obaseki when they fight time. No, we must visit the back. Why do we have the Old Testament? After Old Testament, the New Testament. And the New Testament cannot be complete without Old Testament. My brother, you know they read the book of Psalm. Why you not say no read Old Testament, you read New Testament? Why? Because the Old Testament prepare you for the New Testament to give you a greater understanding, and that you can never take away from it. So, for us to get it right, we must begin to visit the old things. We must begin to visit open files of the people that have brought this state. Why are we suffering in Nigeria today? Because of error of Lord Lugard and the rest, and everybody they swallow, and we're in pain today. We'll continue to be in pain, not until we rise up to speak the truth, not until we rise up to say enough is enough. We'll continue to be where we are, and I must continue to say it. You can never expect anything good without knowing the source. When the Bible says affliction shall not rise up for the second time, me and I tell you, if you do not know what was responsible for the first affliction, it will come back for the second time, and that's the truth of the matter. When the Bible says affliction will never rise up for the second time, you must go back to know why the affliction came out for the first time. And if you did not deal with it, it will come back for the second time. So, for Obaseki to walk, we don't go forget Oshomole. Why? Because that is the genesis of the problem we have today in Edo State. Take it or you leave it. And I hold no man apology. And this is my stand. This is my stand. And I'll continue to talk as it be. The attack we don't hear. Bro, I don't go forget Oshomole. That's the truth. If Oshomole has spent that 30 billion naira, we for not talk about erosion by now. So, okay, Obaseki should go and bring on that 30 billion naira to spend on projects that was awarded, contract signed, money collected. No. Contract signed, money collected, project not executed. You are telling us to forget and move ahead. We cannot move ahead. It's not possible. It's not possible. We cannot move ahead. We must revisit it. Why do we have history? History is to remind us of what transpired in the 18th, 19th century. Because if you understand the mystery of the history, it becomes very easy for you to walk in the new dispensation. Why do the government remove history from school? Why? Because no one will know our past. Because if we know our past, we will know how we tackle the present. So that's the reason why we must never forget about Oshomole. We must all open our file to say enough is enough. Oshomole must account for that 30 billion. Oshomole must account for the money we take build university. Oshomole must account for the money we take build a own house. Oshomole must account for the billions of naira he collected to do airport road. Or not until we begin to hold them responsible, we go nowhere. We must begin to hold all our leaders accountable. If we refuse to hold them accountable, we go nowhere. So history, we must go back to history and let us begin to know what led to it. Let us begin to know what led to it. I repeat, the Bible says affliction will never rise up for the second time. But me, I'm saying you must go and find out what led to that first affliction. And if you refuse to deal with it, the affliction will come back for the second time. If we don't want affliction to come back for the second time, we must go and know the secret and the misery of what led to the first affliction. If not, we'll continue to experience pain. We'll continue to experience shame. Ugbo Amagba Road, the GROA. No be there time build house. No be there Kabaka. Why they not do the road during the time of Oshomole? They didn't do the road. If Oshomole have done that Ugbo Amagba Road, I don't think say Obaseki go put money to go do that road again. No be there all our so-called big men, why they not do it? But Obaseki spend more money to do that road. Go to Oba Genewosa. Go to Oba Genewosa. Go and see the great work he did. Oshomole did not do his best in a day. Forget it. Let's tell ourselves the truth. He not do anything. He not do anything at all. He not do anything. He not do anything. If Lucky Menino have done the best, you think Oshomole would deserve to become governor. Mona stop him. Mona stop him. The quarrel when I want start, we don't start the quarrel. If no quarrel, there can never be development. And we must go back to history. What led to it? Go stay in the state school of nursing. Go see how many millions of naira Obaseki they spend there to ensure our students go back to school. So that the nursing school becomes standard in the state. If somebody has spent that money in the state nursing school, do you think we'll be where we are today? No. Obaseki don't go revisit that project again. Let us begin to tell ourselves the truth. The state secretariat, where somebody Obaseki spend millions to reactivate. If somebody has spent that kind of money to reactivate the state secretariat, I don't think Obaseki will spend that money there again. He will channel that money to somewhere else. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Enough of these hypocrites. Enough is enough. Enough is enough of these hypocrites. And I will continue to stand on the path of truth. And those people deserve to know the truth. All the EPM members that have decided not to know the truth, you continue to wallow in your ignorance. Oshomole must account for that 30 billion naira. We don't open that file. Oshomole, you must account for that 30 billion naira. That's the truth. So we can never forget history. I said then, I assume. I said then, all of you that benefited from that 30 billion naira, we are going to drag all of you. Drag no one they were clamoring for Israel to come back so that Israel can cover all the dirty deed of Oshomole so they can continue to milk the state and God disappoint you now. Edo must move forward. In moving forward, you must cross all obstacles from the road. All obstacles must be crossed. In moving forward, anything that will stand on your way must be crossed. Why? Because if you don't remove that thing, you won't stand on your way, my bro, you go nowhere. If you be like the person with a drive to the go Lagos and kidnap a full road, will you go proceed? No. You have to clear the kidnapper out of the road. That the extent of Edo must move forward. For Edo to move forward, anything that will stand as an hindrance must be taken away. Take it or you leave it. Anything whatsoever that will stand as an hindrance to the movement of Edo moving forward must be crushed. Must be crushed. Whether we like it or not, take it or you leave it. Truth is bitter. I will continue to stand on the path of truth. Continue to stand on the path of truth. Truth is bitter. You cannot say you keep quiet. It's not possible. Because you are deaf and dumb. All the EPM members that is still sponsoring evil in this land, may you use your hand to sponsor what will destroy you and your generation. For those of you that have refused to talk, speak against what Buhari is doing, but you are shouting that Obaseki is not working, may your throat become so loud that you can't cover it anymore. Truth is bitter. And we must tell ourselves the truth. You can never move forward without removing obstacle. Why do you need to pray? We pray to remove obstacle. If you want to do road, one big stick the road, what will happen? You use bulldozer to remove the stick. That is the essence of moving forward. In moving forward, a lot of things must be crushed. A lot of obstacles must be taken away. Take it or you leave it. And we'll continue to stand on the path of truth. Edo must move forward, whether we like it or not. And in doing this, things must take place. Even if Obaseki was not a governor, he was just the head of the management team. Osumole have the final say, so we shouldn't be naive. We shouldn't be naive. Obaseki was not a governor, he was just the head of the management team. Even when Obaseki would recommend Osumole have the final say, take it or you leave it. So Obaseki was never the governor under Osumole. He can give Osumole advice, Osumole decide to do his own, and you cannot hold him responsible. And this is the truth. You don't get vice president. Have you asked yourself where is Osibanjo? Oga, Jeffrey. Does Osibanjo have say? Ask yourself a question now you go scope out. Does Osibanjo have say? No be Buhari with a call. Nobody with a call. Osibanjo does not have say. Even if it's the vice president, don't get say. Obasanjo have the final. Buhari have the final say. The same thing with the administration of Osumole. Obaseki was the head of the management team, but he was not the governor. So Obaseki can advise, but Osumole was the one carrying out the execution order. So Osumole can decide to do anything and nothing will happen. So accept the truth. We shouldn't shy away from the truth. And we cannot run away from the truth. Truth bitter, and we will talk as it be. So now say they be. Yeah, whether John Kennedy, Edo is moving forward in my eyes because I know you want eye blind. John Kennedy, my eyes is open, Edo State moving forward because not only you want eye blind, you and all your followers eye blind because when I only see anything with government they do. Move around, hire people for Edo, buy phone, give them. So yeah, make them begin to go everywhere. They record what government not do, then your eye go open. I am not being paid to stand for the truth. And I don't need money. Nobody need to pay me to talk truth. I don't need to be paid to say the truth. No. I don't need to be paid to say the truth. Do I need to be paid for my freedom? No. I don't need to pay. Nobody needs to pay me. I'll say it the way it is. Take it or you leave it. This was the message when I gave for those EPM members this morning. I was going to continue to bring problem on how to carry. As we continue to the cause of Obaseki and the followers, now cause go be na portion. As we the cause us, we support Obaseki, and so that cause will be visit to now will continue to the chop cause. But that you know will see when they tell the organ, now so they be. We could not shout. Well, so Buhari did they will not shout. Not shout. Now you are shouting. Any Edo man, when he go write rubbish, when he go curse Obaseki again, curse us, when they support her, now curse, that will kill your generation. Curse, that will kill your generation. If you want to ogbeluwa, I want to ogbeluwa. We need tired of it. Why are fair? No, he will broadcasting. Why chebo no governor Obaseki? Why chebo ne ave togbera? E me want to ogbeluwa. This is why I ban it down. John Kirby, you are blind. Go to my page. You will see all the work. What Obaseki don't do at the show because you are blind. Obaseki no need to commission any project. Go and check. Obaseki, see, abroad where you did they commission project for abroad? Did they commission project in abroad? No. You wake up and you see things working. And that's all. You know how much for commissioning project? Money where you take commission project, you still do on that project. Wise up. Because you don't ask. Because you know, go check out my profile. You will see all the work when I don't show Obaseki don't do. Go to my wall. You see all the work Obaseki don't do what they show. Because you are blind. Must Obaseki commission project? They are abroad where you did. Are they commissioning project? You don't see where you put a tie road, reborn the commission project? No. Now, we must commission project. The money you spend on commissioning a project is equivalent to do that project. Do you know how much to bring Osibanjo come Nigeria, those states? Do you know how much to bring Buhari, send the president to take commission project? Do you know how much you go pay them? Obaseki said, no, No, I will not spend such money on commissioning a project. I'd rather use that money to develop the state. Take it or you leave it. And if you want to get more information about project, come to Edo State, employ people, give them phone, give them camera, buy subscribe for them. So yeah, Mona they go everywhere for Benin. Mona they show the work Obaseki don't do. Go to Sapele Road, all their journey road. Obaseki they tie them, they connect them because you are blind. Because you are blind. Obaseki is not a noisemaker, it's a silent achiever. It's a silent achiever. Osumole was entering gutter with a shot. They happy. Osumole did not do anything. If the massive one where they go for Capona, so Obaseki they put up on television every day, una for the share. And I say it again. Anyone that will insult the governor, that will insult all Obaseki supporters, may that insult become your portion 200 times. My brother, Kenny, when I John Kennedy, come to Edo State, go help and commission project. Yeah? Is it by commissioning project? Is it by commission project? Go see all the half work, go back to the commission. Half. All the half job, go the commission. Nothing. You are shouting red roof. Red roof, where we say you need a whole contractor. Red roof without training teachers. Red roof without with equipment. And you are saying, Oshumole work. It didn't work. Don't forget. Those red roof is not what Obaseki is spending money on today. Go and do your investigation. Obaseki is training teachers to ensure. Because without human capacity, you can never build a generation. So Obaseki is investing money on human capacity so that you can build a viable generation. Take it or you leave it. If na project commission na dey fine, me Apostle Alfred, I will begin to commission the project. I will tie ribbon, I will share. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. I will cut the ribbon. Since na project na dey fine, me, I will begin to commission the project. I will begin to commission. Do you know how much to service street lights? You say no street lights. Abroad, you know you dey pay tax. You dey abroad, you know the pay tax. So come pay tax here. Then you know how it is. You think that to buy generator? That will buy generator, see the pass. Do you know how much to buy diesel? You know how much to buy diesel to do generator? Well, let me talk. Let me talk. Any small thing, someone go do like, go jump enter gutter, equal. People say, hey, someone is working. It's zero. Oh, boo boo, yeah. But Obaseki, you know, they enter gutter. Why? Because the man they think, the man get brain. Not be by enter gutter, not be by deceive the people, but the man know what he's doing. He know what he's doing. Show me one viable project executed by someone in this state. None. Let's tell us the truth. None. Iman Jaguar, Captain Osa, Tony Kabaka, Emmanuel Mogu, Samson Sage, Igodomigodo, Crosby, Iman Achin Wafel, because all of you collected that 30 billion naira. That imami wire from it, mami wire, go to my page, you will see all the great work Obaseki is doing that I'm showing, and I'll continue to show it. I turned up during the election, I said, me, after the election, I'll continue to support Obaseki. And I hold on an apology. That's the reason they take and they pay. They go around, they showcase all the work Obaseki they do. Even I don't see them, go to my page, you will see all the work there. But yet, not very ungrateful people, don't they appreciate anything. If the Obaseki they work silently, other governor work like that. See, after Ogbemudia, after Abusali, after Ogbemudia, there was Obaseki, the rest, zero. Go to state secretariat, go see how Obaseki the Republican, but you never know how much he's spending. Go to state school of nursing. When I read there yesterday, go and check my pages there. Go and if they remove all the roof. Okay, now I know EPM member, you are really sick. Get out from here. And I know so you'll be rich, you'll be done day away, man. Go to state school of nursing. Go and see. Obaseki, they remove all the roof. They turn it to iron steel roof. All the tie, they remove all the tie, they put better one. Because you blind, you know they see. So, that's why I want to carry this money. Who wants Vespa? Go and buy Vespa. Yeah, if I do your nose, blow me away. Yeah, blow me away. Because truth will continue to hit her. I, Apostle Alfred, the commissioner for streets. Yes, sir. I be street commissioner. I will continue to talk every good thing Obaseki don't do. And for me, I have seen work that is going on there. And the work Obaseki do for the state school of North it was in Comot, no state governor. Make I tell you the truth. They don't go see where chop money. Why? Because the standard of material, because the good work they do for the EPM members. Since people have let go the pain and the failure of election, defeat of election, and until they talk, now people will continue to remain defeated forever. And any of you now we go use a match, take course or write. When I want write rubbish, when I want course, when I want write course, when I want speak evil against us for telling the truth. Email to Beluwa. Afanu Kukan Beluwa. If you know my way, they give me one. If you can support, una go support, una dey abroad. Una no go break law. But una call and tell una brother, and the law will do. Meanwhile, you dey abroad, you are following law. Government regulate everything in abroad. EPM member, wama Google wena. Whatever. Una they follow law. Una no go fear to na you talk to that children. You will not feel open your mouth, talk to your children. Now you the open mouth, they talk to governor. Can't you see you are sick? You there, bro. Fear let you open your mouth, talk to your children because you will go jail. You will go jail. But you open your mouth, they cause governor, they cause people who will support of governor. Now God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. Make it see Benin Technical College, for example. Benin Technical College. Oh, someone that go there, he go job like frog. I will do it. Oh, someone that not doing it for 8 years. Go and say, oh, Obaseki build new technical college, not be renovation, new one. Go and see. New one, new technical college. For Benin, go there. Go there. Because people are blind. Blind with greed and covetousness. Because people are blind with greed and covetousness. How you go put man and do broadcast? They say erosion put penny, they cost. You know here for Florida. Say erosion carry house for Florida. Say house collapse for Florida. And I say I don't know for call Obaseki. Obaseki, house not collapse. House not collapse for Florida. Now how many people wait miss? John Kennedy, you are sick. Go to a Kewa Road. What is going on there? Away. For Florida now, erosion. Therefore, they call Obaseki. Obaseki, how that collapse? One of them do evil. If they pay me, our Edo people, EPM members, when they talk anyhow, when I know if you talk to my wife, because wow, go jail. When I know if you talk to a small pikin, because you touch her, police go carry you go prison. You say, but your children, hello, is that 911? My daddy is beating me. My daddy is beating me. Oh, he's beating me. They'll carry you go jail. You will fear not if you talk to your pikin for abroad. And you open your mouth, the cause of Obaseki can go punish you. You not if you open your mouth, talk to your pikin for abroad. For abroad. You not if you open your mouth, talk to your pikin for abroad. And you are talking, you are sick. Yeah, John Kennedy, yes, I'm looking for appointment now. If it is, you should also look for appointment. Yes, I'm looking for appointments. Yes, so quick. In fact, they should give me appointment. That's what I'm talking. You know what that. So that's why we see some EPM Edo people. You are shouting abroad. Even when you feel that you shout for your pikin, because they'll put you on jail. Oh. Forward ever, backward never. Obaseki na the man, no, eternal. Obaseki na the man. So, since you don't find trouble, I will give you a double trouble. Me, I will open all and fire. See, some of the men, when they do broadcast now, they talk. They talk. Obaseki, you know, you can't even talk to your wife. Talk her. Your wife not call police for you. Police will arrest you. You want to move sharp. Police will arrest you. And you are opening your mouth, insulting governor, insulting the people, and God punish you now. Yes. Make sure say those EPM people, they listen to the broadcast, they get sense. If they no one get sense, they will remember senseless. Me, Apostle Alfred, I don't ready for una. I don't ready for una. Una yes so. Since no one let go of election pain, una don't wake up, me I ready for una. Una yeah, I'm ready for you guys. Operation bomber to bomber, fire to fire. I'm going to fire una with fact and evidence. Why me you want me boa? You there abroad, you hide. Come and don't stay, come talk. You there abroad, they talk. Come here, come talk. Come and don't stay. Not be today abroad. You have one behind camera. You have for one corner of your room. You are doing broadcast. You are insulting the governor. You are insulting the. Come to Nigeria. If you will let you talk. Come talk. Not be today abroad. You don't want corner of your closet. You are doing live video because you are using free phone, free data, everything. They start insulting governor, insulting Otogbera. I won't susu. Even no matter why they bring me no man. It didn't work. My people, una do well. I appreciate all of una. Thank you very much for sharing the broadcast. I will continue to say it the way it is, and I will continue to stand the path of truth. This evening, I will open this chapter again. Ya reply. It pay me. Even some of the women, some of EPA women for abroad, when I was shocked, when I follow law for abroad. If some of those Benin women, EPM, I'm specific, EPM Benin women for abroad, when they do broadcast, they shout, can you even talk to your God, to government for that side? In my prison. You can't even talk to your governor for, you can't even talk to a prime minister for abroad. You can't try it. You hide for one small corner, you are doing broadcasts, insulting people. Mona take time. Well, I want to take time. If nobody talk to me for me, yeah, go on. Say, I don't know what I'm I'll talk to you. And any of them when they're abroad, where they sponsor you for this state, they go deport you now. And then they deport you now, they go there for airports for 1 year. You people be stand, nobody will help you now. Since you don't want fight, we'll give you a fight. I will get her. When I hear so, when I will get a double. I won't damn mususu. When I take time. I'm ready for una. Operation Fire for Fire. And I will thank you, man. I share the video. Made a year now. And the chance say, not be ladies have been making noise. Please, make we ask for Osumole, where is the 30 billion naira? Let us ask Osumole, where is the 30 billion naira a mark for the Stormwater project? Let us ask him. That is the genesis of the problem. And we can never throw away the past. We must revisit the past. Please, for us to move forward in those states, we must go back to history. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. God bless you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.